Hey everybody, what's up? First of all, we want to thank everybody that's starting to subscribe and watch our YouTube channel, Living for the Rut Outdoors, as you're watching right now. It's L4TR. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We're starting to go. Everything's happening, and it's all because of you. This particular episode, you're going to see our home, a wolf, the deer, and our dog Max. So what had happened is our dog Max disappeared 2 days prior to this. So this is what transpired. We get home, Steve goes, "Donnie, there's a wolf out in your front yard." And I said, "What? Are you kidding me? A wolf in a front yard?" So what you don't understand, and you'll see it in the clip, this is a wide open quarter section. That other side of the road is here. The other side of there is a wide open quarter section too. They're farm fields. So what has happened is this is 10 o'clock in the morning, a.m. There's a wolf that had killed a deer right here. Boom. It's eating on a deer out in our front yard. 250 yards from our home. This is my kid's trampoline, 250 yards that way. So anyways, we start to spot and stalk on the wolf. As we're starting to spot and stalk, there's another black one way down here that you can barely see. And my son said, "Dad, there's two." Okay, so we got a white wolf and we got a black one, a big white gray. So anyways, we get out here and we hammer the wolf. Again, like I said, 250 yards from the house. Take the wolf back to the house, do our little recovery thing, do our pictures, whatever, everything's good. So about an hour later, Tamara says, "Here comes the black one." And what had happened was we were building onto our home. So we were outside working and Tamara yelled, "Here comes the black one." So of course I grabbed the gun again. And when I come out here, he gone. See ya. On my way back, I find deer number one that they had to have killed the night before because this one was partially eaten. That one was picked clean. So that's either one or two more wolves, or the whole pack was there and we only seen two. So here's your deer number one from the night before. So we come back to the house and I'm puzzled already, and I'm thinking, well, if they've killed this deer and they've killed this deer, could they have possibly killed our dog? So I go venture out that afternoon, and that's where I find the remains of our kids' dog Max. And probably one of the second hardest things I've ever had to do is you go tell your kids that, their dog is gone and the wolves annihilated them. That's pretty grim. So this is not up for discussion. It's not up for emails. Wolves are not your friends. They're not your buddies, and they're not your pet. Neither are coyotes. Neither are any other wildlife that are predators. Grizzlies, badgers, whatever you want. They're not your buddies. And now you are up to speed with our second clip. And again, thank you very much for all watching and viewing, and hit the subscribe at the end for us.
Is it a wolf? He must have killed a deer. There's two of them. Where's the other one? I can't see him when he's there.
Yeah. Boom! That wolf just killed my deer. My house is right there. Did you shake?
Yeah, my fingers are frozen.
Did you go like this? You dickhead.
Big wolf.
Oh yeah. That's a good man.
Oh.
You peckerhead.
Here, Johnny can have his, but how much money you got, Brennan? Did you get 2 of them or one?
I got one. Why?
Oh, here,
That's the
you
only
shoot
one.
it twice.
Well, I just pounded him again to get it over and done with.
That's awesome. Chances of that happening.
Well, they must have killed it.
Happened 2 years ago.
There might even be another one here.
Told you I've seen wolf tracks.
Oh, I know they've been here for years, Brendan. You just don't think it's going to happen in broad daylight at 10 o'clock in the morning.
11.
Is it 11?
Is that a wolf? Yeah, get the gun!
Get the gun, move it up now. There's got to be another one here too. Is that a deer or no? That's a deer. No. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy crap. Holy.
Are you gonna poke him?
My God. I'm pretty sure this was where Max disappeared.
Holy man.
It's the last deer he killed. He's gonna kill. My house is right there, people. Holy crap, he's huge. Look at the paws on this sucker.
That's unreal.
Huh. Yeah, he's not gonna make it. He's mangy, hey?
A little bit. I think that's just his winter coat coming in.
You think? I think that's mange, dude.
Wounded there.
Hey?
It's a wound there.
It's a bite mark. That's what that is. It's a big bite mark. Oh, that's mange, you guys.
That's why he's coming in right now to feed. That's unreal. Standing in the window. Is that a wolf? Get the gun.
We got the gun? I didn't even mess around with the bow.
The hell with the shoes too. Just run.
Boy, did I, that gun's bang on. That freaking, I would say they killed him yesterday. Either that or there was more than one and they,
Last night maybe.
because look at all the freaking.
Would that have been all from this deer?
What?
All those, both those spots? Yeah.
see how it was spraying when he.
Yeah. Yeah, there's the wolf track I seen the other day is not as big as that, so. God, he stinks.
Look how smart they are though. They get the guts out of it here and then they drag it again.